What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be working on the trailer again, and we're going to finish up the walls and get rid of that ugly, gross looking pop out and put in what we're wanting. We are getting all of these walls finally put back in after burning all of them. We burned them because it helps like waterproof them pretty much, but we also went through with a clear coat waterproof sealant that you would put like on wood fences and stuff, just to have like extra protection on this. We didn't have to do that, but we decided why not. So now there's like a double water sealant on these. We're gonna have kids in here. We're gonna have, you know, us coming in and out because it's our shop. So with produce and other items, because we don't just sell produce, we sell seeds and soaps and bath products, epoxy stuff, fresh baked goods, and lots of other things, all homemade by us. So we never know whether there's going to be, you know, a chance of a spill or anything like that. So to have these extra waterproof is a plus with 3 small children. But we're getting them all in here, and we're almost done with all of the walls in here, and then we can get started on the floor and the ceiling. We got all of the walls done. The light from that door is kind of crappy. But we got all of the walls burnt, and some of them are not the exact same type of wood, and as you can tell, we kind of pieced some of them together, which is totally fine for us. You know, if you wanted to do a full sheet, you totally could, but we're doing this with low funds, so we're not really concerned about the few little cracks, few little cracks here and there. Here, the original owners actually had like a little outlet for us to use, but we decided we don't want to use that. This board here wasn't damaged, so we decided to use it, and we're just going to put something over that so that it's not showing, and then we'll worry about fixing it up at some other point. Here's another section of wall, and this one actually happens to be just like a full sheet, so we got lucky there, but like I said, some of the areas had to actually be pieced together.
You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images, yeah. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, 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 it ain't right.
We actually ripped out the pop-out piece right here, and we didn't get any footage because it was just the 2 of us, so it's kind of hard. We didn't even think to put the phone on the tripod or anything like that to take footage of it, but the camper piece is now just completely torn out of here. All right, so now that we've gotten this side out, we've gotten this door put on, and it's not finished yet obviously, but it just pops down. And then we're working on putting this door in. The frame is right here. I have to put the 2 hinges up there and put the metal sheeting over it and a lock here. And then we have some little side pieces like this to cover the edge on both sides, and then some to cover down here. And we have created a doorway, so one door opens up and the other door opens down, so that we can do like a awning setting, I suppose. And then we're gonna put in shelves right here where the pop out actually was, and that's gonna be like the front of the shop. Pretty excited. We started making the shelves for inside, and we decided to go ahead and stick with the burnt look. And since this area is actually open, we decided having it waterproof is actually a must, just in case it started raining. But we just have a couple of shelves put in here. We made a little step stair brace here so that we could add a couple of different shelves in, and it looks like they're coming along nicely. As for the rest of the opening, we actually have the top door here, and it's burnt as well. And then we just have these 2x4s holding it, and we have like a little joint at the bottom to help give it a little bit of a brace. But at the top, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, I'm pretty short, there is like a little bracket that we created, and we just kind of drilled holes that the screws would fit into, so that if somebody accidentally shakes this, they can't knock it out, and this entire door come like swing down and hit anybody while they're shopping. If you guys want to share your support with us, whoa, the lighting got really crazy. If you guys want to support us and you're not local, you can totally go on our online shop, which is down in the description, and order something on there for yourselves. Check out all of our stuff. Share the link to your friends. There's lots of different ways to help support us, our channel, our family, the farm, and share the love. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Be sure to give us a big thumbs up if you like what you saw. Subscribe down below and hit the bell to be notified when the next episode comes out. But until then, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.